My name is Sofia Hammoucha, editor at Trade Treasury Payments. I'm delighted to be joined by Sofia Hammoucha, Managing Director, Global Head of Trade and Working Capital at Standard Chartered Bank. Sofia, welcome.
Thank you.
So, Sofia, what does financing resilience mean during the current times of volatility, and how is Standard Chartered supporting its clients to navigate this uncertainty?
This is clearly a time for that. We've seen a lot of volatilities this year from different angles. From our perspective, it means sustainability in financing access, right? And in our footprint and in the South-South and in the region, this is clearly a core topic. We approach it from different angles. Clearly, the partnership with ADB and the access to those financing in all these core markets where we are is very, very important to it, from documentary trade to supply chain finance. But one theme that is more and more prevalent now is how do we support as well our clients' trade ecosystem beyond just the clients. So how do we support their suppliers, the suppliers of their suppliers, their buyers, the distributors, and their banks as well.
And exciting news, Standard Chartered partnered with ADB on its first trade finance transaction in Cambodia. So talking of South-South trade, why is this milestone significant?
Well, we've been in Cambodia for a long time. We have a representative office since 1953. We're active through supporting our FIs, clients, as well as the global subsidiaries of our core clients. So it's a market that is very, very close to Standard Chartered and that we know very well.
Another example, you also supported a green industry transaction in Southeast Asia. Why do deals like this matter during times like now? And what does this show about ADB partnerships?
This one is even more important because it's about sustainable trade finance and enabling the green economy of tomorrow, which is a core target for the bank and definitely for the MTB and ADB. Great deal that we worked on to kind of unlock the access to more green infrastructure and industry access through this fantastic deal that we're really, really proud of.
Thank you very much. And Standard Chartered has been a strong supporter of something that's close to our hearts, the Women Leaders in Trade initiative. Why is this important for Standard Chartered, and what changes are you seeing in the industry?
A lot of changes, still a lot to do. It's a continuous improvement, but a lot of changes. Myself have been kind of the product of that and similar initiatives, and there is a lot that we do through power of representation, but also time that we spend. This is a fantastic program because it's about mentoring and listening and sponsoring. Standard Chartered has 3 mentors in the program, so we're really proud of the work that has been done. Now, still a lot to do, but for me, the power of representation is really important and proving the point that it can happen. Leadership at the top, representation at the top for women, but also what should we be doing in terms of flexible working arrangement, understanding of the different circumstances, giving access to sponsors and not just mentors is one of the core things we are working on. So we're really proud of being part of this program.
Final question, as a gold sponsor of the TSCFP Awards, what does this partnership really mean for the bank, and how does it help you deliver your goals of increasing trade and impact in developing markets?
Well, I think it goes back to the initial question about financing resilience and really making sure that we provide access to sustainable financing across all markets, and the core markets where Standard Chartered and ADB are. The South is promising and there is still a lot to do. This partnership is really strategic to making sure that there is sustainability in the financing at the general trade ecosystem in those countries. Really proud of that and looking forward to even more partnership.
Thank you very much. That was Sofia Hammoucha at Standard Chartered Bank. Thank you.